I just had some questions here about rules about hugs. Are hugs allowed like there at your hotel?
Excuse me?
Hugs. What? Oh, and do you hear birds? I'm sorry. Okay, ma'am. I'm asking about hugs at your hotel. Are they allowed? You know what a hug is, right? Like when you embrace someone. Hello? What, did the birds throw you off, or are you too focused on the birds, or what's going on? Good Lord. Pay attention. The kids these days, they don't know. They're too dumb. They can't pay attention. They get too easily distracted. You mention birds and then they're just like, well, I'm not talking to that guy anymore. I'm going to look for the birds.